In this tutorial, I'll show you how a smart fan system can be done using truth table. Okay, based on the temperature value and the humidity value, the fan speed will be varied in this model. Okay, this is this curve showing the temperature and the humidity, and the fan speed is varying. Okay, so this is the basic requirement, and we will use a state generator block for the temperature and the humidity, and this is inside the state flow. We will use truth table. Okay, and so that's it. And here is the for condition. Okay, a truth table lets us define this logic. Okay, in the table format, and this is super easy. And if temperature is too high or humidity is too high, the fan will be run faster, and the fan will be run slower if one condition is not fulfilled. Okay, so let's build a model step by step. Okay, I'm taking a new model. Okay, and I am taking Stateflow chart block here. This is a Stateflow chart. You can also here you can see you can also use truth table in Simulink. Okay, I'm not using this here because inside a Stateflow basically truth table is used in almost case. Okay, so here I am taking a state generator block here at the very beginning. Two state generator block will be needed here. Okay, and okay, and this is our this will be our temperature value. Okay, I'm setting temperature. Okay, and the other state generator block will give us the like humidity. Okay, I'm not taking any value here. I will put this afterward. Okay, and inside a Simulink inside Stateflow, okay, we are taking a default state. Okay, and now here you can see in the left menu you can see here the truth table here. Okay, now drag it here and you have to set it a name. Okay, I'm taking as like smart fan, smart smart fan. Okay, and I'm calling it here, sorry, it's okay, smart fan here, and you have to call it in your default block. Okay, and here I'm taking as a smart fan. Okay, I can see, and double click on this to table, it will give us like this. Okay, and we have to set a condition here, and I'm dragging this. You have to set a condition like our first condition will be when temperature is above 30. Okay, when temperature is above 30, and our second condition we may need insert row. Okay, okay, so I want it as a first condition. Okay, sorry, temperature is greater than 30. Okay, this is our first condition, and second condition, our humidity is above than 70. Okay, and we need more column to add. Okay, insert column again. We need 4 column here. Okay, you can see. So our condition, so in description we give condition, it's not accepted. This is a condition, and description like condition 1, and this is condition 2. Okay, and we have to set truth table here. Okay, when temperature is above 30 it is true, and humidity, sorry, it is true, and humidity is above 70 it is true, and our action will like I'm taking assign as a1. Okay, okay, we have to give our description here, and similarly we need a 4 action. Okay, and I'm taking a name A1 and A2 and A3. This is basically our name, okay, it's nothing else. And fourth will be A4. Don't give us an error, okay. Now our action will be this I want as A1, okay. I will give the action value after, okay. And when this is true but this is false, okay, then we need action 2, okay. And when temperature is above 30, it is false, okay, it is false. And but humidity is above 30, above 70, okay, it is true, and we need action 3, okay. And when both are false, okay, then we need A4, okay. And in description I'm setting as decision 1, this is decision 2, and this is decision 3, and this is decision 4, okay. Now we have to set our action when both the condition is true, okay. So we need our fan speed as more. I'm setting as fan speed equals 3, okay. When both are true, when temperature is above 30 and humidity is above 30, so we need a larger fan speed, okay. And when humidity temperature is above 30 but humidity is lesser than 70, so we need a lesser fan speed, like fan speed equals 2, okay. And the third condition, you can see here in A3. In A3, when temperature is above 30, it is false. This means temperature is less than 30, and but humidity is above 30, above 70. So we need a lesser fan speed, and assigning as 1. And when both are false, fan speed is 0. Okay. So our tutorial is done, okay. Now go back to chart. Here see symbol panel. Here you can see it's already take temperature and the humidity as input, as I have already uh, give it here, okay. We need fan speed to add here, okay. Okay, this will be fan speed, okay. And fan speed we want is an output data, and we can take this from here. And this is a scope, we need a scope to see the fan speed here, okay. Okay, okay, this is output, it's okay. So our truth table is done. We are using truth table inside our Stateflow chart, okay. Now we have to set a temperature and humidity, okay. And want scope input as 3, temperature, humidity, and then fan speed, okay. So I'm setting input as 3, okay. I'm choosing layout this and click ok. Okay, now in temperature time value will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, okay. And amplitude will be 80 75. This will basically cover all the 4 conditions, okay. For that I have chosen these values 60 75 50 50, then 20 20, then 15 and 15, okay. I'm copying this time, it will be needed for the humidity value also. And this is our time value, and amplitude will be like 80 75 60 75 50 80, then again 80, sorry, double 80, then 20, then 10, and then 10. Okay. Okay, so we need scope here. Okay, and this will be our humidity value. Okay, now first input take and want to take a temperature. Okay, this is our temperature. Okay, and this input is humidity. Okay, okay, and this is our these are fan speed. Okay, okay, now our simulation is done, our model is done. Now we have to run this model, and run this model. Okay, it's all done. Now we can see our temperature, humidity, and the fan speed. I'm changing my layout here to this yellow is okay. This two I want as red, and number three it will be okay. Okay, now you can see temperature. Okay, and temperature is above as 30. Okay, you can see, and the humidity is above 70. Now you can see the fan speed is 3. Okay, as we have already said, and you can see when temperature is above 30 but humidity is less than 70. Okay, now you can see the fan speed is 2, and again when temperature and the humidity is increased and the fan speed is increased here. Okay, and here you can see our temperature is below 30. Okay, but our humidity is above 70. Now at this stage the fan speed is 1. Okay, now you can see, and when the both the value of the humidity and the temperature is below the desired condition, and you can see the fan speed is 0. Okay, that's the way uh, you can make your smart fan system using a truth table in Simulink Stateflow. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.